We'll come back to my channel today in 2026 Mercedes-Benz Armadillo. This revolutionary concept from Mercedes-Benz redefines what it means to travel in both luxury and resilience. Inspired by nature and engineered for the extremes, the Armadillo represents the automaker's most daring leap into the all-terrain camper van and expedition vehicle category. Designed to echo the defensive prowess and adaptability of its namesake, the Armadillo combines futuristic design cues with cutting-edge mobility technology, offering adventurers a mobile habitat that's equally at home navigating urban jungles or untouched wilderness. At first glance, the exterior is a masterclass in biomimicry and innovation. Its shell-like composite body is reinforced with ultra-durable, lightweight alloys and features active body panels that shift for aerodynamics, ventilation, or protection. The cladding has been coated with a solar-absorbing nanolayer, allowing the entire surface to act as an auxiliary power source, charging its onboard battery systems even while parked or in motion. The body is self-healing to a degree, utilizing memory materials that can absorb small impacts and revert to their original form. LED matrix lights span the front and rear ends, morphing in pattern depending on terrain mode, weather visibility, or alert signals. Unlike traditional RVs or vans, the Armadillo doesn't just move through terrain, it adapts to it. Step inside, and the transformation is nothing short of extraordinary. The interior feels like a luxury suite hidden inside a sci-fi command module. Ambient lighting automatically adjusts based on circadian rhythms, helping occupants maintain natural sleep-wake cycles even while traveling across time zones. The cabin layout is modular, allowing users to slide, fold, and reconfigure components to suit their mission, be it a couple's expedition, a solo trek, or a remote family adventure. Premium eco-leather sourced from sustainable materials lines the seats, which double as massage loungers and can rotate 360 degrees to face the panoramic smart glass windows. Those windows, by the way, can change opacity, tint for privacy, and even display real-time environmental data or entertainment projections. The tech suite in the Armadillo is nothing short of groundbreaking. Powered by Mercedes-Benz's latest AI-based MBUX Nomad OS, the system adapts to the driver's preferences, anticipates terrain challenges, and continuously updates based on geolocation and weather forecasts. With voice and gesture controls deeply integrated, even complex commands like altering ride height, initiating satellite internet mode, or deploying the autonomous drone assistant can be accomplished effortlessly. The drone, stored in its own retractable bay on the roof, can scout ahead for road conditions, locate campsites, or record aerial footage to document your travels. Onboard Starlink-compatible satellite internet ensures seamless connectivity anywhere on the planet, making the Armadillo ideal for digital nomads, remote researchers, or film crews. The powertrain is a marvel of sustainable mobility. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz Armadillo features a dual electric motor all-wheel drive configuration paired with a hydrogen fuel cell range extender. This ensures ultra-quiet operation, long range, and rapid refueling capabilities. Off-road performance is supported by intelligent terrain sensing suspension that raises and lowers ground clearance in real time, providing up to 17 inches of adjustable travel for navigating rocks, sand, snow, or mud. Torque vectoring allows for individual wheel control, making hairpin turns and steep inclines far more manageable than in any conventional SUV or truck. The undercarriage is shielded with a magnetic repulsion layer to help deflect debris and protect vital systems during rugged excursions. When parked, the Armadillo morphs into a fully autonomous living pod. Its roof expands upward and backward, revealing a pop-up second floor with retractable solar arrays and a telescopic observation dome. This space houses a stargazing platform, complete with a compact telescope and AR overlay system for identifying constellations, weather patterns, and wildlife in the area. Meanwhile, the lower deck converts into a living room with a media center, climate-controlled air filtration, and furniture that stores away in compact modules. A micro-kitchen with induction surfaces, auto-clean features, and a smart fridge stocked via subscription ensures you never go without essential meals, even hundreds of miles away from civilization. The sleeping quarters are equally transformative. A queen-sized zero-gravity bed folds out from the wall, while two retractable bunks drop down from the ceiling for additional guests. Each sleeping zone is individually climate zoned, noise insulated, and features sleep monitoring integrated with biometric sensors. There's also a compact but luxurious bathroom module equipped with a steam shower, water recycling system, and a composting toilet that rivals the sophistication of space station hygiene units. Security is paramount, and the Armadillo doesn't disappoint. It's equipped with 360-degree infrared perimeter scanning, automated threat detection, and a defense-grade EMP protection system for its electronics. In high-risk zones or natural disaster areas, the vehicle can enter lockdown mode, sealing all entries, activating external floodlights, and initiating satellite-based distress protocols if needed. The escape and safety features include a deployable drone rescue beacon, emergency water supply, fire suppression, and a ballistic-rated front glass layer. Storage in the Armadillo is intelligently integrated. The rear bay is configurable for sports equipment, tools, or even small e-bikes. Exterior side panels pop out to reveal concealed gear lockers with modular drawers and climate controls. A built-in water filtration unit processes rainwater and stream sources for sustainable use, and onboard AI tracks usage patterns to optimize conservation across long trips. The tire system is a run-flat adaptive compound that can seal punctures instantly, and the tire pressure adjusts dynamically depending on surface contact and elevation. While the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Armadillo is a concept for now, its underlying technologies and design philosophies are already influencing the next generation of adventure vehicles. Mercedes has hinted at a limited production run for global humanitarian, research, and exploration groups, with a civilian release potentially following based on demand. It's not just a camper or an off-roader, it's a mobile sanctuary designed to reshape our relationship with nature, technology, and travel. The Armadillo is a symbol of how luxury can meet purpose, how innovation can elevate independence, and how vehicles can become more than transportation. They can be homes, labs, sanctuaries, and gateways to the edge of the world. So if you're imagining a future where you can live, work, and thrive off the grid with the safety, intelligence, and elegance of a Mercedes, the Armadillo is that vision made real. Whether you're chasing sunsets across the Sahara, navigating icy tundras, or disappearing into the highlands for weeks on end, this is the vehicle that doesn't just go with you, it becomes a part of the journey, adapting and evolving every mile of the way. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz Armadillo isn't just ahead of its time, it redefines the time yet to come.